How to fix Stremio Addons not working? If your Stremio Addons are not working or in some effective state to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First of all, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Also, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Stremio. Check for update in your App Store or the Play Store here. Go and search for the Stremio and you can find the update here and you can update of your app. Also, you can go to your Stremio here. Once you are on your Stremio, you have to just uninstall this app and reinstall this on your device. Also, you can go for your device setting and go for your app and go for the manage app and search for the Stremio here. Once you have searched for the Stremio, you have to simply clear the cache of your Stremio. So the clearing the app cache also can resolve the issues. So just go and clear your cache. Also, you can reboot or restart your device, which can also resolve many temporary issues. So the some add-ons may be blocked in certain region. You have to make sure that your content you are trying to access is available in your location. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix the Stremio add-ons not working problem. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.